Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to show you a very exciting and famous recipe, that is butter chicken. For butter chicken, we need to first marinate the chicken. So for the marinade, we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of tandoori chicken masala. This you can take of any brand. 1 tablespoon of cashew paste, one and a half tablespoon of cashew paste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic and chili paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. And this is approximately 700 grams of chicken with bones. You can take boneless chicken if you want. Now I will marinate the chicken. Lemon juice, salt, ginger paste, garlic paste, chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, curd. Friends, I am not adding salt right at this moment, because sometimes what happens, the marinade tends to lose water. So the coating becomes liquidy. So I will add salt later on when I will fry the chicken pieces. Now I will mix all the marinade and leave it for 5 to 6 hours in the fridge. Or if you marinate this chicken overnight, that would be better. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Friends, I made a mistake here. I said salt instead of turmeric powder. So I have added turmeric powder, not the salt. I have marinated the chicken. Now I will keep it in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours. I have marinated the chicken overnight. Now I will add the salt. Salt is according to taste, and I forgot to add garam masala before, so I am adding half tablespoon of garam masala. Now I will mix all this and grill all the chicken pieces. For the gravy of the butter chicken, I have taken 6 to 7 large tomatoes. This I have diced. 1 big onion diced. 4 to 5 whole red chilies I have deseeded. This is whole garam masala. Here are 3 to 4 cardamom pods, 3 to 4 cloves and 2 sticks of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of garlic and chili paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of half tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 3 to 4 tablespoon of cashew paste. And obviously we need butter, as this is butter chicken. This is 2 tablespoon of butter and cream. Now I will fry the chicken pieces. Now I will put the chicken pieces. Now I will shallow fry it. First I will fry it in high flame so the chicken pieces get the char mark properly. And after it gets the char marks, I will flip it over. If you marinate the chicken overnight, then the chicken pieces in the marination coats the chicken very well. I flip the chicken pieces It has got a nice tarmac over the chicken pieces. Now I will simmer the flame and cover it for a while so that the chicken becomes tender. The chicken is getting fried. Meanwhile, I will boil the ingredients for the gravy. I'll be adding the tomatoes, onion, ginger and garlic paste, whole red chilies, whole garam masala, and a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. I will be also adding salt. This I will bring to a boil. And then when the tomatoes will become tender, I will allow it to cool it down and grind it in a mixer to make it a smooth paste. I have fried all the chicken pieces. Now I will do one trick. I have burnt this cold piece and I will put it here. And I will add just this much of little bit of ghee, and I will cover it. In this way, a smoky flavor will come out to all the chicken pieces. I will remove this now. The smoke flavor has infused all the chicken pieces. So I will remove the coal now, and these tomatoes have now cooled down. So I will now grind it into a smooth paste. Now I will pass this mixture through a sieve so that the gravy becomes smooth. This butter chicken gravy is extremely smooth, and so we need to sieve it. We are adding a little bit of oil. Butter. Red chili powder. And the Kashmiri red chili powder also. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder. We are adding this gravy. I will bring this gravy to a boil. Now the gravy is simmering. I will add the chicken pieces. I have added all the chicken pieces. Now I will cover it with a lid and allow the chicken pieces to get tender. It has been simmering for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I will add the cashew paste. This is 4 to 5 tablespoons of cashew paste. I will mix it. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and cover it for 5 minutes, then it will be done. I will add sugar. Sugar is according to taste. Mix it. it's ready to serve. I've served the butter chicken. Now I will garnish it with cream. It is looking so delicious. This is, my God, this is heaven. I hope you like my recipe. Please let me know in the comment section how it turned out, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.